this episode, I'm going to cover my trip all the way up to Oklahoma. I went to northern Oklahoma for a motorcycle dirt ride. It's my first time ever going on a dirt ride, and I had a lot of mishaps, so parts of my video were damaged, and I had one video camera go down. Oklahoma is a hard place to ride in the dirt. I had a blast. They showed up with their trailer and like 7 bikes, and a bunch of other guys met us there. It was a bike museum. They had a lot of old school bikes. A lot of people, actually KTM was there, BMW was there, because they had little booths and stuff. A lot of people came on KTMs, and I saw a few DR650s. I'm gonna kind of bit through the footage of me driving up to Oklahoma. I didn't even take pictures with my cell phone, because my cell phone, it was covered in dust, and I beat the hell out of it on the back end because it kept falling down. So on the way up, awesome, love my cell phone. It had the navigation. It navigated me all the way up to Oklahoma, played my music for me so I can hear the navigation, play my music. So that was kind of peaceful. The really weird thing about the whole dirt ride was we were riding on 2 people's property, and the ride was 125 miles. So 2 people owned 125 miles worth of property, and it was all on dirt road. They had some people living and having farms within the property lines of some of these places.
Thank them for their generosity of letting us use their land and stuff. We're also crossing J.D. Hammock's land. No, he's not here, but we want to appreciate that. So make sure if you see those guys to thank them. Also Kevin Carpenter, I think he's already gone, but he helped me lay out the track, the course and all that. Keep in mind that everything is laid out in mile sections. You're on roads for the most part. Everything is a mile section line. So if you make a turn, all the turns are going to be marked with this arrow. It's going to have pink ribbon after the turn, whichever way you would need to go. So if you're supposed to go left, if you see an arrow and you look to the left, you're going to see pink ribbon that tells you to go that way. If you're on a straight road for 5 miles, there's probably not going to be anything. All the turns will be marked with an arrow.
Man, we saw horses. The thing that was scaring me the most was the deer that kept jumping across. You're riding your motorcycle and a deer would shoot across. Scared the shit out of me. And you know, I'm a city guy, so being in the country, and we were deep in the country, scary. For my black friends who were worried about me, they were like, "You going up there with all those white people?" Yes, I'm going up there with all the white people. I didn't have any problem. Matter of fact, I had a fabulous time. They treated me really good up there. I was the only black person there, for the people that have that on their mind. And I had a fabulous time. But anyway, I have some footage that hopefully you'll enjoy. I don't know if you'll enjoy the ride footage, because on the particular helmet I was using, the contour camera kind of hangs on the side of the helmet, so you get that side angle. You don't get a straight view of, you know, where I was going. Hopefully with one of these heroes we can change that. I noticed on the helmet I could not find a place to stick these little sticky things on the helmet on the top, because the helmet has the visor, it has all the little switches and vents and foolishness, and I could not for the life of me, what is that, the AFX 41 helmet, I couldn't find a place to put this little sticky thing on the top since I've gotten these cameras today, and I'm just like, oh no. So we'll see how that turns out. But anyway, here we go. Check out the video. I hope you guys like it. I'm gonna try, if it's not too long, because I like to keep these videos short, because personally I don't want to sit and run my mouth and talk you to death, because nobody wants to watch that crap. People want to see the action. They want to see you fall off. They want to see what you was working on. So hopefully, you know, if I have to make this into 2 parts, I will. All right. Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks for watching. And if you can, please subscribe. I'm still starting out, so hopefully my videos will get better and better. Thank you. Oh, that's a tear, a real tear. All right, YouTube, this is my backup camera, and we are out here. We got one guy with a flat. My bike, I've dropped it today a few times. My camera died, so I don't know how much footage I got, but holy crap, my Tenere is awesome. This guy here, he's been riding and doing it, not falling. His son, not falling.
I fell once.
Did you fall?
I fell once.
We start on the. We start away from the. We start away from here.
I have dropped mine. That's one of the DRs. DR 650. They're working on it, trying to get it done. It's terrible. Oh man, I got about an hour of video on this. So that's it.
Get back over here. Chase it. Okay. Yeah.
One more.
Thank you. Yeah. Getting close.
Boom.
Come on down. There we go. Yeah.
Bridge is pretty cool. That was spin that just a hair straight to it.
I heard a pump running even over there. Man, you can't prepare.
Well, we'll see if all this works out.
Oh, we got it tackled now.
So check it out.
Hard part's over.
That's short ride. It's just easy to benefit.
Oh boy.
You got the wrench asphalt to get there. Road bike, I'll tell you that. It used to be a railroad bridge. Get a little air and then snug it down. It's built like
Well, I think
See what I go
I think
through?
we've been through it all this weekend so far.
Where you guys from? Dallas?
Arlington, yeah.
Whew. Oh yeah, we're good.
This is the camera I use for school. It's terrible. I forgot it was in that bag.
Got to back out a little bit.
That good?
So
I need a flat screwdriver.
Get the flat right here
Or
on the
something
highway.
flat.
Way back there.
There.
He drove for a while with it. I was beeping. He said he didn't hear me.
I didn't hear
You
you.
got it right on
I
the
felt
highway.
it, kind of. You know, and it's sometimes how you feel like you got, and then it's not. And I was like,
That's how it was with my tires for a little bit. I'm like, I feel like my tires are low.
of course, I felt like I had a flat tire all day on that gravel.
Bouncing around anyway.
I was gonna say, you're on the highway for a minute and you pick up a nail.
Oh, I see what the problem is. All right, that's be a gas station up here across the way. Might want to stop and get gas.
You're saying 20 miles?
I had to look at the trip.